Dang, look how deep it is. Woo! It's melting. Yeah, top of the morning. Top of the morning. Good morning, y'all. Boy, I've been hearing it. Guess what's going on, y'all? Guess what's going on? Oh, guess what's going on? Y'all, hold on. Y'all gotta see what's going on. Y'all gotta see what's going on real quick. Y'all got... It's snowing! It's snowing! Bruh, it is snowing, yo. Look how much it is. Dang. God, dang. I want to show y'all like it's really snowing. And it looks really nice out, bro. It looks real nice out. But, man, whoever... Oh, look at the bird. Birdie went down. Birdie went... Oh, Birdie right there.
No, don't cry. It was snowing until... It was snowing at 6 o'clock in the morning.
6 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah, now it's snowing and it's 9 o'clock.
But yeah, y'all look really nice out, man. But yeah, y'all, I just want to show y'all that it's real snow. In today's video, we gonna go outside. I might as well the first time, man. Look at the little ball. We gonna go outside.
Gonna poop in the snow?
Yeah, just start feeling the snow, man. Cause it's been a minute. We gonna take him out. It's gonna be King's first time for real. So we gonna get his experience, you know, his first time. See how it is for
him. Us playing with him.
Yeah, we gonna see how it is. See how he gonna react too. See how he gonna react. See how he gonna react or whatever. But other than that, y'all, that's what's gonna be in today's video. So y'all make sure y'all continue watching. Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Yes, sir. That big red drink right there. And y'all stay tuned. Y'all stay tuned to the next video, fam. Y'all continue watching next video, fam. Like I said, bro, what you doing? We out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe button, man. Don't forget, man.
Don't forget, man.
That's what you always do. You always have to hit it. Make sure to always hit the like and subscribe button. And make sure to comment down below what you think about the video.
You got the wrong shoes. You didn't have on your daggone phone closet. EJ, get in here. Stop. Take your shoes off.
Oh, turn yellow.
There you go.
Take the shoes off. You got the wrong shoe. You find the shoes? Yeah. Where are you going? Come here. Oh, come on. Walking all over the place with the snow on you. Come on. You put snow all over the place. Put your shoes on. Where's your freaking hat?
What shoes, huh?
Yeah.
He crushing that drink, y'all.
Get him off the pool.
Hey! Hey! Stop eating that ice, get off! You like it, Snow?
This is what happened when you tell your damn kids earlier to come outside and shovel the snow. You make their asses go out. And fucking, what time is it? I can't even see the goddamn time. What time is it? Look at the time!
See? That's why.
Did we say 8:50?
You lied.
821? I can't see. It says 350. I'm cooking. 641. They outside shoveling snow because they don't want to go. They want to play video games.
Damn. Man, it's nice out. I just want to show y'all something real quick. I just want to show y'all real quick. Damn. Man, y'all. Oh, y'all can't see me. It's so dark. My flashlight at. Whoa, you can't see me in black, boy. Oh, what the fuck?
I'm glad that man got his phone, cause I ain't bring mine. I ain't bring mine. Y'all see it, bro.
Man, it's crazy out here, y'all. Like, for real, it's snowing. Like I said, it just got done snow. It's sticking, surprisingly, and it's slippery. Which I like. I'm sliding. Ain't gonna lie, I'm sliding. But yeah, y'all, we just want to take y'all on a quick tour real quick, cause we just started walking. We was like, you know what? Might as well you see nobody in the street.
This good one for the snow.
Nah, for real. Good vibes only. Good vibes. Plus, we wanted to tell y'all what's next to come up. For sure, videos coming back to back. I told y'all I recorded like crazy, so I got backed up videos for y'all. Right now, I'm just editing. So this video gonna be old, but I'm just editing it out. But trust and believe, it's coming through, y'all. I'm editing like crazy, sir. So I guess
2020. No editing.
Shit, I told y'all this shit real this time.
Spam emojis in the comments.
Man, you got
spam emojis.
Hold on. We gotta get our own emoji.
Yeah.
Oh, we gotta get our own emoji for sure, y'all.
Spam that J.
But right now, we throwing hundreds. All day hundreds. Hundreds, gang. Hundred. So cold, bro, and I'm hungry. Man, hey, y'all, we about to have a snowball fight. That's what I'm thinking about. I'm thinking about doing a snowball fight. That'd be a good snowball wolf fight. Let me show y'all some more, man. Let me show y'all some more shit I did. This is nice.
There is a term that if you roll down your window, your window is going to be icing. Once you roll it down,
Break it for real?
Because, the ice is going to be still up there looking at your window. You got to do is blow inside your house. That shit on your window.
Look at that tree. Damn. Stars out too. I know they can't see the stars. Damn. We don't got the good camera yet, y'all, but no, it's coming through. Make sure y'all check out the stream too, y'all. Your boy be streaming, especially Riri here too, boy. Make sure y'all check that out for sure. We throwing that up. And make sure you hit that subscribe button. Yes, sir. I told y'all we stay lit in this month.
Put it on post notifications.
Oh God, what you doing, boy?
Yes, sir, man. Once again, man, make sure you spam them emojis and comments, man, if you made it this far. Hey, y'all saw that?
Like just cut off on his own. But yeah, man, if you looking at this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button right now, boy. What you waiting for? Cause we always lit, and we just now getting started. I told y'all we just now getting started. We easing our way, but look, Mo, we got some good content for y'all. We got some good content for y'all. Cody, it's cold as the mud. We been walking. Just been walking.
This is our first,
snow. It is our first snow vlog.
Yeah.
Shit is crazy.
2022, baby.
Damn. I told y'all we started off strong. But yeah, y'all. Whew, it's cold as a mud. I'm about to put my hands in my pocket because me holding this camera is just like crazy.
Yeah, man.
But I'm gonna get right back with y'all when we get home because we just like a long walk. So I get right back with y'all. So y'all keep staying in this video. Y'all stay, man. We out, gang. We gonna come back. Woo!
half of my body.
It's melting. Damn, it is shit exclusive.